Hi, would you like to have toned, slim arms with beautiful sculpted shoulders, no more sagging skin, so you can finally wear that sleeveless dress you love? The good news, it's easier than you think. And the best part, you don't even need weights. To tone your arms, follow me through this quick 6-minute sequence. I'll show you two variations for each exercise, one easier and one more advanced. So even if you are a beginner, you can definitely do it. And in just few weeks, you will start notice your arms becoming more defined and toned. Watch this video till the end because after these exercises, I'll show you one essential movement to really target the triceps and get rid of that sagging underarm area. First exercise, push-ups with hands together. Place your palms together with fingers spread wide like a star. Kneel on the floor and engage your core to protect your lower back. This will help you target the right muscles. As you bend your elbows, move your chest slightly forward. Don't let your elbows go straight back. Keep your forearms vertical to the floor. You will see a simplified version on the screen. Just place your hands on a chair or a table, keeping your core engaged and your body aligned. Exercise 3. Downward push-ups. This one is a bit more challenging. Walk your feet closer to your hands, keeping your legs either bent or straight depending on your flexibility. Bend your arms and lower your head down between your hands, elbows wide. For the easier version, use a chair for support. Keep your back straight and move your head forward slightly. When coming back, push the floor away with energy and exhale forcefully. At first, you may only be able to do one rep, but keep practicing and your shoulders and back will get stronger quickly. Exercise 4. Reverse tabletop lift. Lie on your back and find a comfortable hand position. For an easier variation, palms facing behind you. More advanced version, palms facing your feet. Push your hips up while squeezing your glutes, then lower back down without touching the floor. The key here is to stay in control. Don't let your hips drop. Focus on pressing through the hands and engaging your glutes and arms. Do from 1 to 10 reps, prioritizing form. Even one good rep is better than several sloppy ones. Then take a few seconds to rest and get ready for the second round. get ready for the second round of these exercises. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here I share with you how to stay fit after 40, 50 and beyond with simple, effective exercises and clear and easy explanations to help you stay motivated. One extra tip for you: stretch the biceps to tone the triceps. To better tone your triceps and eliminate flabby arms, it's important to stretch the biceps. This muscle is often overworked in daily life since we use it constantly when lifting things. The triceps, on the other hand, are underused, leading to flaccid and weak arms. Here's a super simple move. Grab onto something like a wall or a door frame. Bring your chest forward and gently rotate your torso away from the arm. You need to feel your arm stretching. Find the position where you feel a good stretch in the biceps and hold it for 20 or better 30 seconds. Repeat 2-3 times per arm. When we relax and stretch our bicep, we can tone at the same time the muscle on the other side of our hands. And this will help us to tone our arms and get rid of flabby arms.